Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify. Now the first thing I want you to do is head over to your domain portfolio on GoDaddy, okay? And then select the domain that you want to connect to Shopify, click on DNS, and I need you to update some records. So go to the A record, okay? Click here and edit, and I need you to put this in. So this type will be type A, plug in the @ symbol under name. Value, I want you to type this in, TTL, time to live, make it 1 hour, click on save. Now we need to edit CNAME, so click here on edit, okay, type, have it as CNAME, right? Name, www, value would be this, plug this in, TTL 1 hour, come here and click on save. Next we need to go here, okay, and do this. So basically, go to Shopify, come here under your domains. You'll find your domain right here. Click on verify connection. Basically, once you've added the necessary DNS records, you should see this right here. Click on verify connection, and Shopify will check if it can connect to your domain. Should happen almost instantly. And then you need to just set your domain as the primary domain. Once it's connected and verified, go ahead and do that, and then change your domain type. Okay, just give it a couple of hours, although sometimes it might be instant, and it's really that easy and simple. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.